Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a video timer overlay to your video on Capcut. So in here, I have already added a main video. Then I'm going to add the green screen video timer that I got from YouTube. You can just find it on YouTube, and please make sure that it's free and not copyrighted. So here is the video that I downloaded. Just click on add and set it as overlay like this. You can fit the size, and to get rid of the green screen you can use the cutout feature and then click on the chroma key. Drag on the color picker into the green screen color, then adjust the intensity and also the shadow like this. Click on a check icon, and now you'll have that video timer like this. You can also put it behind or before your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.